Science allows us to understand exactly what just happened. Here we have two different sized pistons connected by a piece of tube, piston A and piston B. Piston B is actually 9 times larger than piston A. It doesn't look like it, but piston B is filled with just enough water to completely fill piston A. When Kevin jumps on piston A, nothing moves because piston A is as low as it can go. Now what do you think will happen when Stuart jumps on piston B? Nothing. Now how about with Stuart and Bob on piston B? Still nothing? Huh, that's strange. Earlier we learned that Pascal's law tells us that pushing down on one piston makes the other one want to push up. I think we're going to need more weight pushing down. I wonder how we can do that. It looks like Stuart has an idea. I think he's going to use Gru's 10 times Grower-matic. This will make it so that Stuart weighs the same as 10 minions. There's Stuart. Stuart, I didn't know you could play the guitar. Hurry up! What do you think will happen when Stuart jumps on piston B? Wow, what do you know? Kevin's piston raises up and Stuart's goes down. Earlier we said that piston B was 9 times larger than piston A. If you remember, Pascal's law tells us that the water pressure is acting evenly in all directions. Because piston B is larger, more water is able to get under piston B and help push. What do you know? It looks like Bob's going to come to the rescue again. What do you think will happen when Bob climbs on top of piston A with Kevin? That's interesting. A moves down and B moves up. Now why is that? Let's think about this. If one minion on A can support 9 minions on B, then that must mean that Kevin can support 9, and Bob can support another 9, and 9 plus 9 equals 18. This must mean that 2 minions worth of weight on A can support 18 minions worth of weight on B. Now that's cool. That's mechanical advantage. So as a recap, we can use machines to gain mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage allows for us to put a little bit of force in and get a lot out. But in exchange for more force, we have to push over a longer distance.